How to relieve your sinus infection in 20 seconds. Have you a thumb and tongue? If you do, in less than 20 seconds you now have all you need to clear your sinuses. A stuffy nose typically develops as an indication of another condition of health such as sinus or cold. These health concerns are usually modest, including allergies, nasal polyps, chemical exposures, ambient irritants and hay fever. The nose passages are swollen and obstructed by the lining in the sinus cavities, caused by the irritants, the bacteria or the viruses. Nasal congestion will normally dissipate in a week, but you may not wait for so long to breathe well ever again with this natural cure. How to clear your sinuses in 20 seconds. Ready for effortless breathing? Track the easy steps. Push your tongue up your lips and put your thumb in the eyebrows. Use your thumb pressure for 20 seconds. You begin to empty your sinuses. How's this functioning? You may ask how a small amount of bone pressure may lead to a nasal drain. The methodology is based on a scientific explanation. The foamer bone rocks back and forth, according to Lisa DiStefano, assistant professor of osteopathic medicine at the Michigan State University College. The reverse and reverse movement loosens congestion, so that your sinuses discharge. If you have the aforementioned strategy, don't hurry to your pharmaceutical company for a remedy right now. Try the 4 home treatments for nature. These ingredients may be in your house already. Apple vinegar organic 1. Mix 8 ounces of warm water with 2 teaspoons and a tablespoon of sweet wine or drink 1 tablespoon of apple sweet wine 3 times daily. In a few days, your sinuses should be clean. 1/2 cup apple cider vinegar and 1/2 cup of water can be added. Heat it up on the fire and breathed in the vapor with your mouth and eyes closed. Curcuma Turmeric has curcumin that helps to reduce inflammatory characteristics of this spices. Sprinkling some turmeric at your next meal will help relieve the inflammation of your nasal sinuses. Rinse of nasal salt. This is not the easiest treatment, but many individuals rely on a saline rinse to clear their sinuses. A 1/4 teaspoon of marine salt and salting with a cup of warm water can be used for this combination. This rinse is spilled by a nose and to clean up the sinuses of the other. If you never had a saline rinder before, contact someone for help and read the packaging directions with great attention and follow them. Oregano oil. Oregano oil is as much or as cheap as the preceding natural therapies. But if you only buy this oil, just eat it or steam it over the pot and inhale it to remove your sinuses properly. The oil is an efficient therapy for sinus infection. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.